Guys, I'm here again. This is probably my 4th video in a day, guys. I think all those 4 videos I've been out here in the backyard. That's kind of weird, I know. But guys, I have a water bottle flip. I was late on this challenge. I've never done it yet. So I haven't basically trained. And if you guys already saw the title, 1 second chug water bottle. Yeah, I'm gonna be chugging this whole water bottle. Trying to. Personally, I can't chug a water bottle that quick. I could go, but it's 1 chug. You just go, squishing it. Yeah, that's not gonna work real good, but we're gonna anyways try it. But okay, let's go. I'm gonna open the water bottle. So guys, if you see, I'm not gonna edit this video just because of those purposes. I know I'm not a good editor so far, but next video tomorrow, I'm giving you a little hint right now. I'm gonna be showing you how to get that. This is what's it called? And that's super cool looking. Oobleck. I'm gonna show you how you could get it like good for a quick 2 hours, at least 2 hours, and you could keep on repeating this process whenever you want to play with it. But if you already done it after 2 hours, might want to do it again, but only if you play with it again. So yeah, okay guys, I'm scared. Well, if any severe injury happens, well, nothing will happen. Okay guys, it didn't even work. I did nothing yet. Okay guys, ready, set. Guys, I did nothing yet. It's sad. I can't do it. Guys, but I'm doing it for all you mannies out there. Remember the last video I told you I'll be calling you guys mannies. Oh my god, guys, I just saw a hummingbird. Okay, guys, let me go close to it. Hopefully I could get this close up. Look, guys. Guys, there's a hummingbird. Oh, that's so pretty. Guys, look at that hummingbird. Did you guys see that? I'll have to see if I ever get this hummingbird again. I saw a hummingbird yesterday, but I forgot to take it. Okay, starting again. Trying to chug this water bottle. You saw a hummingbird? You never saw one yesterday. I felt that water come all the way over here. A lion. It's on my foot. You made, look, it's right there. Where? Oh wow. What? That one on your foot first. It went on my orange. A liar. What? Liar. I can't. This child is blind. My brother's calling me blind, but he's blind. He's blind. He's blind. He's blind. He's blind. We're both blind. Yeah, we're both blind, JK. Guys, I almost did it. That was so fast. Oh my god. That was really fast, okay? Guys, I'm making a video right after this. Right now, out here, because it's going to get a little messy. So, peace out, my mannies.